Are you ready to get started with your Bernina L660, 650, 620? I'm Doris Breckbuhl, educator and overlock specialist at Bernina International, and I would like to share with you a thing or two I know about these machines. First, we will set up the machines. This is for all three models the same. I will use the L650 overlock machine. Then we will come to the differences of L660 and L620, and I will show you these with the L660 overlock machine. And last but not least, I'll come to the differences of the L620 cover stitch machine. In the description below, you'll find an overview of the different chapters in this video so that you can comfortably navigate to the topics that interest you most. But now, the machines. To move and carry the machine, use the recessed grip. Connect the power cord and turn the machine on. You can also attach the thread guide, extend it to the max, align it for proper unwinding of the thread from the spools. For storage of the machine, simply lower the thread guide if needed. You control the sewing speed with more or less pressure on the foot control, so connect it. A sound will alert you when the presser foot is up while pressing the foot control. The machine is not ready for sewing because the tensions are open. You have to lower the foot to run the machine. By default, the machine stops with needle stop up. This is the right position for threading the machine with the one-step Bernina air threader and to thread the needles. It is also the right position to swing the foot out, for example, when threading or when placing the threads under the presser foot. You can swing it back by hand or simply when lowering the presser foot with the hand lifter. With the hand lifter, you can also raise the presser foot to a second step, activating the front foot lift for more space for placing your project under the presser foot. To remove the presser foot, press the lever and the sole will drop. To attach the presser foot again, align the pin with the presser foot shaft. Lower the shaft until the foot clicks in. To open the looper cover, hold on the cutoff spin and turn it clockwise. To close the looper cover again, align the notch with the opening and turn it counterclockwise until the magnets engage. Super convenient, find small accessories in the accessory box and its lid. Here you also find the small screwdriver for the stitch plate and the adjustable tape guide. When inserting a tape into the guide, it also comes in handy when you swing the foot out. Your L6 machine, L660, 650 and 620, uses needles of the system EL x 705. And if you find it convenient, your tweezers can be stored on the magnet holder under the spool stand. So much for the similarities of L660, 650 and 620. Now let's have a look at the differences of L660 and 620 to the 650. But if you like to continue threading your L650, the threading video is linked here. To attach the knee lifter, push it into the socket, until it stops. Use the knee lifter to lower and temporarily raise the presser foot. But the knee lifter can do more. As long as you use the knee lifter, the feed dog drops, giving you more space to place your project under the presser foot. And here's a tip. If you find the angle of the knee lifter not convenient, your dealer can adjust it slightly. To detach the knee lifter, simply pull it horizontally out. When you turn the machine on, by default the sewing light is on. Use the light button to turn the light off or on again. But the light button can do more. Press and hold to dim the sewing light, turn it off and on again. With this slider, you can limit the maximum speed. Your L660 and L620 come standard with the Bernina back kick foot control. To sew half a stitch, press with your heel, needles stop down. Press again, needles stop up. But also your foot control can do more. To program needle stop down, press and hold with your heel. The beep will confirm programming. Now your machine stops with needles down. To program up, press and hold until the beep confirms. Your needle stop is set up again. By default, after machine is turned on, it stops with needles up again. To enlarge your sewing space, use the slide-on table. Hold it horizontally, hang it on at the rear, turn it towards the machine until it clicks in. The extension table is a standard for the L660 and L620. However, if you like to have one with your L650, it's an optional accessory. To detach the extension table, pull the lever underneath, turn it over horizontally again and unhook it at the rear. And now to the difference of the L620, the cover stitch machine. Your L620 has a cover stitch insert extension that's useful together with the slide-on table. To open the looper cover, hold it on the right side, pull slightly up and straight towards you. To change the cover stitch insert, press on the latch and flip the top open. To attach the cover stitch insert, align the top with the looper cover and close it until it clicks in. To close the looper cover, align the groove and push until the magnet connects. There you go, a large sewing space. With this, you have set up your machine and learned about the features that make sewing more pleasant. What would you like to learn next? Find more videos linked here, such as threading, stitch selection, sewing test, or settings. If one of these tips has been helpful, give us a thumbs up. And we love it if you subscribe to the Bernina YouTube channel.
Bernina, made to create.